During the course of our lifetime, every single day we have challenges. And I, like you, have many challenges. But one of the things that I think that is extremely important, that we shift our perspective to gratitude instead of complaints. One of the things that I've done is I've created a book, and it's called Believe in You. It's a book with 19 chapters. And throughout the chapters, we talk about you and the love that you can hold for yourself. Now, this book also comes with 18 different videos about self-help and how to love yourself. And this book is now available at www.tabletopinspiration.com, trying to help you live a better and fulfilled life and feel great about yourself, because that's all that matters.